Hi, today we're going to be dividing fractions. Let's get started. So the first fraction we're going to be working with as an example is 3/5 divided by 2/6. And we're going to be turning this equation to a brand new equation. So step 1 is to keep the first fraction in the equation the same. So our first fraction is 3/5, and we're going to keep it the same. And step 2 is turn the division sign into a multiplication sign. And as you can already see, that this problem is going to be a multiplication problem or equation. And that leads us to step 3, which is switch the denominator and the numerator. And that is only in the second fraction, not the first one, only in the second. So if we have 2/6, we're going to turn it into 6 halves. So just switch them up. So 6 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. And then you multiply it. Step 4, multiply it. So 3 times 6, numerator, is going to be 18. 5 times 2, 10, which is going to be 10, and that's going to be our denominator. And the answer is going to be 18 tenths. And that is an improper fraction, so we need to turn it into a mixed number. And that leads us to step 5. Turn it into a mixed number or simplify it. So 18 tenths is an improper fraction, so we need to turn it into a mixed number. So how you might want to do that is divide the numerator by the denominator. So 18 divided by 10. And that's going to lead us to 1 remainder 8. And we're going to turn the remainder into a fraction. So our answer is going to be 1 and 8 tenths. And that's our remainder. And that's going to be our answer to the problem, or example problem. So 1 and 8 tenths. And if you want to learn about more about mixed numbers and improper fractions, go check out my video I posted a week ago. Let's move on. And problem 2. It's just the same thing. I'm going to be turning into a new equation. So step 1, keep the first fraction in the equation the same. So 2/5 is going to be the same. Step 2, turn the division sign into a multiplication sign. And step 3 is to switch the denominator and the numerator. So our fraction that we're going to be switching this time is 7/4. We're going to put 4 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. And we're going to multiply them. So 2 times 5 equals 10, and that's going to be our numerator. 5 times 7, which equals 35, is going to be our denominator, and that's going to be our answer. And this is a mixed number. It's already a mixed number, so it doesn't really need to be simplified. It can't be simplified, so let's move on. So here are some steps on how to divide fraction. You could jot them down in your notes or in your computer, and you could pause if needed. Let's move on. So here's a way I like to remember it. It's a visual picture. You could draw it, or there's not really that much drawing in this, but you could write it down or make a poster. And let's move on. Here's some practice problems. You could pause and do them on your time. Just get used to the procedure. And the practice problem answer key, this is the answer key of the practice problems. Pause the video and check your answers. Remember to always practice. Thanks for watching this video. Time's ticking. Subscribe for more videos. Like if you like it. Share this video. Watch more videos from my channel. Bye!